Hey guys, it's your boy Ender back from another video, and today we're going to be battling single layer Ares 1 Hoplon Ultimate Reboot versus Siege Xcalibur 1 Iron. This is technically Siege Xcalibur because it's Hasbro, but we're just going to call it by the TT name. So yeah, this is going to be an exciting video. We're going to be doing first bait at 15 points. Burst finish count as 2. Survivor and ring outs are both 1 point. I will be using the digital sword launcher for Siege because it was literally made for the Bay, and it would be wrong if I didn't. So yeah, it's gonna be a really fun video. The golden spear versus the metal sword is gonna be a pretty interesting battle. In my marathon battle, Siege actually KO'd Ares out of the stadium and threw it into a wall on the opposite side of my room. So this is going to be very exciting. If you guys haven't already, please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell to be notified every time I upload. Give me suggestions, oh god, in the comments on what you want to see. And I'll see you guys at the stadium. Okay guys, and we're at the stadium. So we're going to be doing first bait at 15 points, as I said. Let me load all the bait on the launcher. Okay. It's going good. Great. Are we going to be having missile launches all day? Please don't. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh, that's my sword launch. Okay, 1-0. Yeah, I don't know why Excalibur is being so weird. Okay. Click Ares. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Okay, apparently the sword launcher is acting up. Okay, 2-0. So, God, he, like, knocked the stadium out of view. That's ridiculous. Okay, started for the shadow. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna use a sparking launcher. That's upsetting. I was really looking forward to this. Okay. It's going good. 4-0. Okay. Hasbro for the W? Question mark. Okay, so Ares is in lead 4-0. I feel bad for Excalibur. I'm it, but better. Which one goes? Ooh. This launch, okay. Which one goes? Shoot. Oh god. Okay, 4-1. Ares got KO'd. Yeah, I miss when base actually bursted like this. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Ooh. I definitely hit ultimate reboot and lunged forward. Okay, that's 5. That's 5-1. I feel bad. I feel very bad. Okay, it's in the stadium. Sorry about that. They just hit hard. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. I'm just gonna watch Ares first. It's gonna shoot. I have ultimate reboot anyways. Okay, that's 6-1. This video might be extremely short. Okay. I'll launch Excalibur last. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 7-1. Yeah, this is gonna be this might be an easier W than I thought. Eight to 1. Yeah, I'm literally just Siege but better and not having to use metal. because I'm absolutely goated. Yeah, you heard me. I said that. 3, 2, okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 3. No, that's a mislaunch. It's still 7-1. I can't do Excalibur dirty like that. I'm already winning by a massive lead. Ooh, oh god. Oh man. Okay, burst finish 9-1. Okay, I'm gonna put Siege into balance mode. Maybe that might help. Like, it needs something because it's having a rough time. I just feel bad now. No, I don't. I'm lying to you. Okay, make sure the stadium is all good. There you go. Push it back in the center for you guys so you don't have to like look all weird at it. Okay, you have like flipping your camera upside down. Ooh, God. I wonder, I'm sure Siege Teratomi would be a lot better because it doesn't slide. Okay, that's 10-1. Oh my god, depending on how long this video is, we might have to go to 20. Yeah, but I don't see there being a point, but we'll find out. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Okay, 10-1. Oh my god, Ares is just bullying. Siege doesn't stand a chance at all. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that's 11-1. Okay, I'm gonna try the digital sword launcher one more time. I have a feeling. I believe. 3, 2, 1, shoot. There we go. Come on, hold on. I like how I'm rooting for Siege right now. Okay, 12-1. Okay, stadium. I'm pretty sure got knocked out camera. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, Ares is it's a force to be reckoned with. I'm very proud of it. But I wish it would stop bullying Excalibur. There we go. Okay, and that's this 13-1. No matter how hard I try, I can't make Ares lose right now. Fine, we're going digital sword launcher. We're going maximum power, I think. Unless it decides to be a jerk and skip and ruin its yeah. Maybe it's because I'm using the blue digital sword launcher. I don't have the red original color. Nope, we're not counting that. Okay, that's enough sword launcher garbage. Okay. Excuse that, so it's still 13-1. Oh! Yo, Ace did like a flip over Excalibur. That was good. Ultimate reboot coming in clutch? Wait. Yeah. Oh wow, that's 15-1. How long has this video been going? 7 minutes. Okay, that's not enough. Okay, we're going to 20. Because I'm a nice guy. I swear. We're going to give Siege 5 more chances. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 16-1. Yep. Single layer Ares is confirmed to be the better Siege. It's just how it is. 3, 2, 1. Maybe if I launch first or something. Oh no, maybe I. Yeah, it's not working. Oh! Come on. Hold out, buddy. Okay, that's what is that now? 17 to 1. Okay, I guess I'm gonna weak launch Ares. You know, yeah. Okay, that's a little bit too weak. Okay, the disrespect is a little bit too great. There we go. That's a miss launch. Oh my god. Ares refuses to lose. Okay. Give it everything I have in this little. Okay, it's still 17 to 1 because I keep mislaunching, trying to go full power for Siege, not to lose horribly. Oh my god, my finger was right there and it like slammed into my thumb. Oh my god, is this Siege's moment? No. Okay, I'm just gonna put Siege back in full attack mode. Okay, that's 18 to... what is it? 18 to 1. Yeah, I don't even know why I was thinking so hard. Siege barely won one battle. Okay. I bet the Xcalibur fans are like screaming right now. Oh my god, I did like a flip in the air just to die. Okay, I was at 17, so this is 19 to 1. Okay, I guess final battle, most likely, unless Xcalibur has like a magic trick or something. It's like, hoorah! Like, yeah, it like hit the wall, flipped in the air, just to explode. It couldn't handle its own recoil. Oh my god, wait. Is this the time? No, I got it. Nah. It's over. I already got tilted. Wait. Oh wow, it's equalizing. Holy crap. Come on, Xcalibur, I believe in you. Oh. Yeah, and it was in its fully aligned mode too. That's sad. God Layer Ares will be a better Siege. I assure you that. Siege looks really cool though. It's like a really nice looking layer. Very, very nice. Look, it's like all the colors of Ares, even though Ares came after it. Okay, well that concludes this video. It ended 20 to 1. Yeah, Ares dominated. I kind of feel bad, but I was able to get it to over 10 minutes. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you like, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell to be notified of every time I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.